Okay, on these fourth generation Ford Tauruses, what I've learned is that usually if you have or usually when you have a leak, or usually when your reservoir isn't working, that you usually have a problem, and the problem is coming from right here. What I learned about these clamps right here, these stainless steel clamps, is that you have to replace these where these hoses are with these clamps. Okay, I got two on each side, two on this side, and if you go on this other side over here, where the other side is right here, I got another clamp right there. So these tend to leak. Okay, there's nothing holding it on here, so I put these on here and it's not leaking. Okay, here's the nozzles right here. Here's one on this side and one on the other side right there. And usually if the water is not coming out of the nozzles, that's probably what the problem is. You don't have nothing holding it on there, so that's why I put the clamps on there to hold it, the hoses on there, so that the water will come out. Also notice if you look down here, sometimes you see this hose that is broken. Usually it breaks right here, but it'll let you know either it break right here, or you have a leak coming from one of these right here, these connections. So that's why I put these stainless steel clamps on each side of this right here, right where the nozzle is, to keep the hose from coming out right here or leaking. Okay, here's another look on this side of this one. This attaches to the nozzle right on the driver's side right here. I got one on this side right here, and then I got the other two on that side.